Before you hire a roofer, you need to keep a few things in mind. A roofer without the proper insurance means if someone gets hurt, you will be the one liable. Protect yourself and ask the roofer if they have insurance. Some roofing contractors provide different warranties on their services and shingles they use. Make sure you have any warranties in writing when you're given an estimate. This will protect you later. Awesome tip, sister. Another tip is, don't be afraid to ask questions about shingles and time frame for your repair or your roof replacement. Asking your roofing contractor the tough questions only helps to ensure that you're going to get a knowledgeable and reputable roofing contractor that provides you with the answers that you deserve to know. There you have it. Insurance, warranty, and ask questions about the shingle durability that the roofer wants to install. Now you're ready to call a trusted roofer from trustedroofers.net. We have already screened and approved all the roofers for your benefit.